3-1, identify the relationship between two parallel lines. Number one, you're going to complete the statement with the corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, or consecutive interior for this. And it is based on the figure on the right. Let's take a look at angle 3 and angle 10. I'm going to color code it so we can see that better. We have 3 here and we have 10 here. Notice that this is the parallel line that it is looking at. So these are both on the inside. The fact that they're on the inside, notice they're also inside on the same place as the transversal. So this one would therefore be considered your consecutive interior. There you go, because it's both on the inside and on the same side of the transversal. Okay, let's now look at number B, which is angle 2 and angle 12. Angle 2 is right here and angle 12 is right here. It is still on this parallel line of line L and line J. Notice they're both on the outside, so that is a exterior. And notice they cross this transversal. Okay, they're crossing the transversal. So it's on the outside and it crosses the transversal. That would be your alternate because it crosses the transversal. Exterior because it's on the outside. That is your 2 and that is your 12. Alternate exterior. Now let's take a look at angle 8 and angle 14. 8 is right here and 14 is right here. Notice that the parallel line is the same as before, which is L and M. Notice this time, they're both on the inside. And because they're on the inside, there is a interior. Notice they cross the transversal. So inside and it crosses the transversal. That would be your alternate because it crosses the transversal and it's on the inside, so interior. So this one would be an alternate interior angle. Let's look at angle 9 right here and angle 16. Okay. Notice that one is on the outside. Okay. 9 is on the outside and the 16 is on the inside. And what do I mean by it's on the inside? Well, if you take a look, the line that they're looking at is this. This is the pair of lines, and line M would actually be the transversal. So this is on the inside, 16 is on the inside, 9 is on the outside. So this one actually has no name between them. So here we can say this is none. Let's look at angle 1 and angle 11. Angle 1 and 11, here again, this is your parallel line that they're referring to. And then this is the transversal, okay? So this looks like it crosses the transversal, so it's an alternating, and it's on the outside. So it's an alternate exterior. Alternate because it crosses the transversal, and exterior because it's on the outside. Now let's take a look at 14 and 16. Angle 14 is here and angle 16 is here. This actually is not one of them. Okay, so you can say none because it's not really here. However, you can actually write vertical angles here because they're vertical from each other. Okay, there are reflections from each other. So I would set either vertical angles, or you can say it's not one of these pairs, right? So there you go.